So, Dalith first, so what do you think you've gained from this morning's session?
I think I've learned about medical school, how to apply, and what it would actually be like to be in medical school and then to do it.
Okay, so are you glad that there's something like this on then? Is it something that you think we should do again in the future, do you think?
Yeah, because I didn't know much about being a GP or how it would work or how it works, so I think it's really good.
Do you think that it makes you think differently about general practice, or...?
Yeah. I wasn't really considering it before, but maybe now I am. So.
Oh, good. So maybe one person extra. so Matilda, so what have you gained from this morning?
Well, I've always been interested in medicine ever since I was young, and I've wanted to be in general practice because I always thought about the stresses of hospitals were too much for me. So this is giving some insight on how to on what it would mean to be a GP.
So, as a whole, from this morning's session, what was the bit that you enjoyed the most?
I enjoyed hearing about other people's experiences in the field, and the medical students and what they've been through, and that you don't always have to be perfect to get into medical school too. That's the sort of thing that it has given us in the past.
I enjoyed that bit as well, because obviously I didn't know what they were going to talk about precisely, and I enjoyed that bit. So you think that the ability of the speakers to be able to interact with the audience is important?
Yeah, I think it's important to get a ground because.
So would you two recommend this to anybody else if we did it again in the future, I think? Or?
Yeah.
Good. So which year are you in at the moment? Year 11. So you could well be coming again next year, I guess, if if the opportunity arises. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.